Have you ever put your Rubik's Cube in this situation and want to assemble back? Then you are the right tutorial which are you looking for. Today in this video I am going to show you how to assemble Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. And this method is very easy and easy to understand, easy to assemble. Anyone can follow this method. So try to introducing all pieces. These are the core of a Rubik's Cube or big piece of the any Rubik's Cube. There are 6 faces: white opposite of yellow, green opposite of blue, and red opposite of orange. These are called core of any of Rubik's Cube. Core are broken, damaged, then there should be problem. The Rubik's Cube cannot be assembled. First check the core properly tightened and no broken piece found. And then these the edge pieces which have 2 color and 2 edges are extrude faces which holding for cube. And these are the corner pieces which have 3 color, like these 3 color, and the corner like rectangular shape are extruded for holding the cube. Now first segregate the edge pieces for easy assemble. Blue white, blue red, orange white, red yellow, green white, red white, blue yellow, green orange, green red, green yellow, blue orange. Now the remaining piece are corner piece. Here it is yellow and orange. Remaining piece are corner piece. There should be 8 corner pieces. There are 8 corner pieces and 12 edge pieces. Another 6 are center pieces. Now try to fix first edge piece because edge pieces are easy than the corner piece putting. So try any color first. I take green color. First found green and orange. Here it is green and orange. Put green side with orange side and keep holding your cube, otherwise it will broken. Now find green and red. Here it is green and red. Put the edge piece and here it is green and red. Now hold it. Find green and yellow. Here it is green and yellow. Put your pieces on cube and holding the other piece too, otherwise it will broken. Green and yellow. Then find green and white pieces. Here it is green and white. Put this piece and done. First all 4 edge pieces are put. Now putting the corner piece too. Corner piece green, red and white first. Here it is green, red and white. Greener top, whiter front, whiter right and redder front. Put it like this and holding back. Hold your cube, otherwise it will be broken. Now find green, white and orange pieces. Here it is green, white and orange. Green on top, white on front, and orange is right side. Put it very carefully. Here it is done and hold your cube like this, otherwise it will be broken. Now find green, yellow and orange. green, yellow, orange. Here it is green on top, orange in front, yellow in right, and done. Green, yellow and orange. Hold your cube like this. Now last corner piece of your first layer, green, red and yellow. Here it is green on front, green on top, red side and white yellow on front, and done. Now your cube stay like this and hold. Then put the edge pieces of the middle layer. Find edge pieces first, orange and yellow. Between orange and yellow, here it is orange and yellow, and put like this, orange and yellow. Now rotate your cube clockwise. Find orange and white pieces. Here it is orange and white piece. Put it like this and then hold your cube. Now find white and red pieces. Here it is white and red. Put like this and then white and red. Now last edge piece of middle layer, red and yellow. Put like this and done. Two layers are done. Now last layer. Find first edge piece, put the edge piece and then corner, because edge pieces are put easier than the corner piece. First find the edge pieces, yellow and red. Here it is yellow and red. Put like this, yellow and red. Now blue and red. Now blue and yellow. Here it is blue and yellow. Put like this, blue and yellow. Now blue and orange. Here it is blue and orange. Put like this, blue and orange. Now remaining edge piece, white and blue. Put like this, white and blue. So we are almost done. Don't scramble your cube in this position. Let's put remaining 4 corner pieces. First find blue, red and yellow corner piece. Here it is blue, red, yellow. Blue on top, red in front, yellow on right. First gap the edge piece and put it like this and back. Then blue, yellow and orange pieces. Here it is blue, yellow and orange. Blue on top, yellow in front, orange on right. First gap between 2 edge pieces. Push back like this and back it. Here it is done. Now find blue, orange and white piece. Here it is blue on top, orange on front, white in right. Gap between 2 edge pieces. Push like this and turn back it. The last one of your cube, then the cube back in your position. Put Lassion fish, blue on top, yellow, white on front and red in right. Push it like this and boom, your cube are in back in position. Can be rotate easily, smoothly as you done. As you wish, can it rotate smoothly. So hope you could understand how to assemble Rubik's Cube like this. And now, so for more tutorial like this, keep your subscribe button from red to grey and thumbs up. This is the best tutorial for beginners to assemble your cube. Thanks for watching.